Here's Tango 05, A54-017, an Australian PC-21. And it's starting to get stormy outside as well. That is a lot of rain. I'll just show you over there real quick. Look at all this. There's a thunderstorm coming our way. And that looks like heavy rain. I kid you not. Oh, you might want to hurry, buddy. I don't want to get drenched. There he is. He's just heading off into the Air Force Base. That's thunder. You might want to be quick, minor finder. And there he goes. If you're watching from Western Australia, stay safe in this storm, will ya?